Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. COVID-19 vaccination of children in the age group of 15 to 18 years begins from today. The vaccine option for children will be only Covaxin. Union Health Ministry has said that all those whose birth year is 2007 or before will be eligible for vaccination. The registration for vaccination COVID jabs in this age group on COVID portal has already started from 1st of January. The appointment for vaccination can be booked online or walk-in. All citizens, irrespective of their income status, are entitled to free COVID-19 vaccination at government vaccination centres. As part of the nationwide vaccination drive, government has been supporting the states and union territories by providing them COVID vaccines free of cost. Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan has urged that efforts should be made by all stakeholders to minimize the mortality due to COVID-19 to a minimum possible level. In a letter to all secretaries of health of states and union territories, Bhushan cautioned the public health action in terms of containment, surveillance, contact tracing, testing, adherence to COVID-appropriate behavior, and COVID-19 vaccination are of prime importance. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu yesterday called for enhancing research and development efforts and roping in private sector to bring down defence imports. Noting that India is on its way to become a global superpower, the Vice President said India is focusing on self-defence as its core philosophy is share and care. He said the country is committed to peace as it is the prerequisite for progress. The Vice President called upon nations to commit themselves for peaceful coexistence. The Union Minister for Forest, Environment and Climate Change, Bhupender Yadav, took a review meeting with all the stakeholders regarding a Manipur proposed plan on Loktak Lake yesterday. The Union Minister arrived at Imphal on a 3-day visit, attended by State Forest Minister, Chairperson of Loktak Development Authorities, MLAs and officials of Forest and Environment, Loktak Development Authority, Manipur State Wetland Authority. The meeting discussed thoroughly on the proposed plan on Loktak Lake titled as Loktak Manipur, an integrated plan for wise use 2020-2025. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma distributed 5,000 checks to the women beneficiaries to incentivize them to maintain good credit discipline at Dhemaji yesterday. It may be noted that under the scheme named Assam Microfinance Incentive and Relief Scheme for Category 1, that is prompt payer category, the checks of 25,000 rupees per beneficiary or outstanding whichever is lower have been given to the beneficiaries. Dr. Sarma asked the beneficiaries to make good use of the financial incentive and strengthen their business ventures. The External Services Division of All India Radio is expanding its transmission in 6 neighborhood languages from today. These languages are Dari, Pashto, Baluchi, Mandarin Chinese, Nepali, and Tibetan. The broadcast timings in each of these 6 languages has been doubled from the existing 1 to 1.5 hours to 3 hours. The broadcast services in these 6 languages henceforth will be available every day for 1.5 hours each in the morning and evening. Live streaming on YouTube, News on Air app, DD Free Dish and shortwave radio frequency is also available. And as India marches towards administering 150 crore vaccine doses against COVID-19, news about the fresh corona variants is also causing concern. In this situation, we appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. Please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.